Hi. So the next little complicated questions in theory of equations will try to solve this. Okay. So when something like this is given, first make sure you solve this bracket terms first. Okay. So this will be 2x plus 3x minus 9. 3 plus 3 into minus 3 will be minus 9 plus 8x plus 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 5x minus 2. First solve all the x terms here, okay? 2x plus 3x will be 5x plus 8x. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is 13x. Minus 9 plus 4 will be minus 5. The higher number is having minus sign, okay? Is equal to 5x minus 2. Now taking the x terms this side and the constant values this side. So 13x minus 5x is equal to minus 2, this will come this side, plus 5. So this is 13 minus 5 will be 8x is equal to 5 minus 2 will be 3. Okay, so from this you can write it as x is equal to 3 by 8. Okay. So the next question, this one, if you please, by seeing this question only, don't be panicked. Okay, we can solve it step by step. Okay, when these many brackets are given, just go with the middlest one. Okay, this is the middle one, right? This is the middle bracket, 4x minus 1. You can't do anything over here, right? So next thing is this. Okay, he is telling 6 minus 4x minus 1. Here he is multiplying only with minus. Okay, so next step you'll write as 6 minus 4x minus into minus plus 1 plus 5. Okay, in the next step you will multiply 5 into 6 and the remaining thing. Okay, first resolving this minus with this one. Okay, so we'll just write x plus 2. This will be as it is, 3x minus 5 into 6. This is just you're changing minus 4x plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. One bracket is resolved. Okay, in the next step, see the constants over here. We'll just add this. So as it is, again this will be same, x plus 2, 3x minus 5. See here, x terms only minus 4x, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 is 12 is equal to 0. Now this is resolved. Now these many brackets are here. Okay, so here the next the deepest bracket is this one, right? So solve this. 5 into this one. We'll solve this now. X plus 2, 3x. So minus 5 into minus 4x will be plus 20x. Minus 5 plus 12 into plus 12 will be 12 5 is 60. Minus into plus is minus. So this is done. Alright. Now again solve this. So x plus 2, 3x plus 20x will be 23x minus 60 is equal to 0. Okay, now the next is 2 here. So x plus 2 into 23 is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 46x. 60 into 20 will be minus 120 is equal to 0. This will become 47x. This is nothing but 1x, right? This will become 47x minus 120 is equal to 0. 47x is equal to, if this will go that side, it will become 120. X value is 120 by 47. If you resolve this, you will get in some points or anything, or you can just keep it as x is equal to 120 by 47. This is how we will resolve these kind of problems. The deepest bracket first. Okay. Coming to the next problem, suppose if it is giving something like this, same thing we'll do here. Okay. 5x plus 6. 2 into 8, 16 plus 14x is equal to 8x plus 20. So here everything is same now. Okay, so again rewriting 5x plus 6 plus 16 plus 14x, okay, is equal to 8x plus 20. Okay, now here 16 plus 16 is 22, 14 plus 5 is 19x is equal to 8x plus 20. Taking x here, the constants this side. So that will become 19x minus 8x is equal to 20 plus 22 will go that side. It will become minus 22. So this is 19 minus 8 will be 11x. This will be minus 2, right? So x value will be by 11 minus 2. X value is x is equal to minus 2 by 11. 11x, okay, cross multiply. Again you will get this one, 11x minus 2. So the x value is x is equal to minus 2 by 11. So for solving these kind of problems, okay, just don't get panicked by seeing the question, by seeing these variables. It is simple as like we do with numbers. Rewriting this is equal to n square plus mx. Find x, right? So m into m is m square minus mx is equal to n square plus mx. Okay, taking the square terms this side, m square minus n square is equal to mx is as it is. I'm taking this that side plus mx. Okay, generally we make a mistake by cancelling this two. That's wrong, because this is equal to in between. This will come either this side or this side. Okay, so this is m square minus n square is equal to, here x mx is nothing but 2mx. Okay, this is 1, right? 1 plus 1 2 mx. So we just want x value, right? X value will be nothing but m square minus n square by 2m. 2m into x, 2mx will be again this one. So x value is m square minus n square by 2m. That's all. This is how simple we can calculate this. So the next question is this. Okay, so just rewriting this again. 3x minus 4 minus 9 2x minus 7 is equal to 3x minus 12. Okay, 3x minus 4 minus 9 into 2 minus 18x, 9 into 7 63, minus into minus is plus, 63 is equal to 3x minus 12. Taking all x terms one side and constants to the other side. Okay, 3x minus 18x, only this x is coming this side, minus 3x. Here this will be same, minus 12, this will go minus 63 and plus 4. Okay, so this value will be minus 18x, because plus 3x and minus 3x will be cancelled. Minus 18x is equal to, this value will be minus 71. Alright, so x value is minus 71 by minus 18. Minus minus cancel, 71 by 18, which is 3.94. So x value is 3.94. This is how you solve this kind of problems. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we'll see next problem. So for this question, okay, 15 into 2 is 30x, 15 3s are 45, minus 45, minus 20 into x, minus 20x, minus 20 into 4, minus 80 is equal to 4. 30x minus 20x is 10x. Minus 45 minus 80 is minus 125 is equal to 0. Okay, 10x is equal to 125. This will go that side, plus x is 125 by 10, that is nothing but 12.5. X is equal to 12.5. Okay, this is how we will be resolving this kind of equations. I think these are clear.